Welcome to the next step in technology. In the middle of the waters surrounding Blue Waters Island in Dubai, engineers built a colossal machine weighing more than 11,000 tons and standing over 250 meters tall. This is Ain Dubai, the world's largest observation wheel, capable of carrying up to 1,750 passengers at the same time. But what makes this structure truly remarkable is not just its size, but the incredible engineering required to build it in the middle of the ocean. And then came its mysterious story. After a spectacular opening, the giant wheel suddenly shut down for several years. To build this massive structure at sea, Dubai first created Blue Waters Island itself. Using dredging ships and breakwaters, millions of tons of material were used to reclaim land from the ocean. However, a steel structure weighing more than 11,000 tons could never simply sit on soft artificial sand. Engineers installed enormous foundation piles deep beneath the island. These piles penetrated through the sand and anchored directly into solid bedrock 35 meters below the seabed. In reality, the enormous weight of Ain Dubai is not supported by the island's sand at all. The artificial island mainly provides lateral stability, preventing the foundations from tilting under powerful ocean forces. Once the foundations were completed, engineers installed 4 giant support legs, each measuring 126 meters in length. These massive structures were manufactured in one piece within the UAE and transported to the site by giant barges. Crossing the Arabian Gulf, they arrived at the construction site where super-heavy cranes lifted them into position. Working in the strong winds of the Persian Gulf was an enormous challenge. Even the smallest wind gust or lifting error could snap support cables and cause catastrophic failure. Once the support structure was in place, engineers faced one of the most difficult stages of the entire project: installing the central hub. The hub weighed 1,800 tons, roughly equal to the weight of 4 Airbus A380 aircraft. Engineers deployed the world's largest fixed crane and one of the most powerful mobile cranes ever built. Together, they provided a lifting capacity of nearly 6,000 tons. Suspended high above the ground, the installation tolerance was only 6 millimeters. Engineers spent 4 continuous weeks welding the hub into place. Only then was the central axle permanently connected to the 4 support legs. The assembly of the outer wheel was equally challenging. With no support underneath, engineers relied on a temporary system of rigid steel spokes. To prevent Dubai's extreme heat from causing uneven expansion and distortion, every spoke was painted white. The outer rim was divided into 8 giant sections and lifted more than 100 meters into the air before being connected together. After the rim formed a complete circle, engineers spent nearly 6 months replacing the temporary spokes with 192 high-strength steel cables. For safety reasons, only one temporary spoke could be removed at a time. Engineers would then install a replacement cable, check the stress distribution, and only then move to the next section. Unlike traditional Ferris wheels, Ain Dubai does not use a giant gear system. Instead, its base contains a row of massive industrial friction wheels. Each wheel measures 1,070 millimeters in diameter and weighs 77 kilograms. Powered by hydraulic motors, these wheels press firmly against the rim of the observation wheel, creating the force needed to rotate it slowly. Smart pressure monitoring systems continuously track their performance. At the same time, 8 giant passenger cabins, each capable of carrying 40 people, are suspended around the outer rim. The cabins are arranged in perfect symmetry. Inside each cabin, electro-hydraulic systems automatically rotate the cabin in the opposite direction as the wheel turns. Combined with real-time sensors, this ensures the floor remains perfectly level no matter where the cabin is positioned. However, the story took an unexpected turn. Just a few months after opening in October 2021, this $270 million MegaProject suddenly shut down. In April 2023, operators announced an indefinite closure. Scaffolding covered the central hub, and the German TV safety organization that had previously certified the structure withdrew its certification. 4 years, the future of Ain Dubai remained uncertain. Then, in 2024, the lights came back on and the giant wheel finally resumed operations. Projects like Ain Dubai reveal the future direction of engineering. The next generation of megastructures will not simply focus on becoming taller, larger, or heavier. Instead, they will evolve into intelligent systems capable of monitoring themselves throughout their entire lifespan. Future structures will be equipped with thousands of digital sensors capable of detecting tiny deformations measured in millimeters. These intelligent buildings will be able to diagnose problems, issue warnings, and adapt long before serious failures occur. The future of engineering is not just about building bigger structures. It is about giving them the ability to sense, understand, and respond. Perhaps that is the ultimate answer to helping humanity and nature coexist safely for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this incredible engineering story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing megaprojects and technology documentaries from around the world. See you in the next video.